Anita, a report has now been submitted by the governor to the Home Ministry. What are you picking up from your sources within the Union Home Ministry at the moment?
Very serious developments, Rashika. You know, the Home Ministry has summoned the Director General of Police and also the Chief Secretary of the State for December 14th. They have been asked here and to report. You know, they were summoned after the Governor of the State, Jagdeep Dhankar, in his report stated that he has been asking status reports as far as Mr. JP Nadda's attack is concerned from both the DGP and the Chief Secretary, but they have not been, giving him any kind of update. So now both these gentlemen have been summoned by the Ministry of Home Affairs. Another big development is that you heard the governor himself saying that the 21 bureaucrats list that he has made, and he has submitted to the center, saying that these bureaucrats were working at the behest of the state administration. The governor categorically says, even though they are being paid from the exchequer's pocket, but they are acting at the behest of a certain political party. In fact, he is cautioning and warning them that these kind of things would not go ahead, and if they do not stop functioning like a political party worker, then their days are numbered. And another interesting development was when the governor said that these protesters who were protesting against Bharatiya Janata Party's President Mr. JP Nadda's visit in Kolkata, they were being intimidated and they were also being protected by the state actors. These are very serious allegations made by the governor himself against a ruling party. In fact, he also cautioned the state chief minister also. He also said, I wish to caution the chief minister and she needs to rectify her ways. In Hindi he said, भारत की नागरिकता एक है, कौन बाहरी और कौन अंदरूनी, इसके ऊपर राजनीति करना आप छोड़ दीजिए. So very serious allegations were leveled by the governor himself against the state administration. Obviously the war of words is now going to escalate because now the assembly elections are going to take place next year sometime. So the war of words is escalating, but in the meanwhile, both the state DGP and the Chief Secretary have been summoned by the Ministry of Home Affairs.
Well, the police chief and the Chief Secretary summoned by the Ministry of Home Affairs over the report on the law and order situation in West Bengal that's been submitted by the governor. All of this, remember, in the backdrop of that attack on the BJP president's convoy, where his windscreen was smashed, stones were hurled. There is an investigation that is currently underway, but the TMC has also responded politically and said that this has been staged and orchestrated in order to gain political mileage. Appreciate you, Neeta, for joining us with the very latest.